Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Bernard from Imfuyo, and today we're in Nyeri County. We are privileged to be with Dr. Simon of Simcare Animal Feeds Limited, and today we had the noble cause of installing Ruminal Bolus magnet to over 38 cows at Makamu Dairies Limited, and we are privileged to always give farmers peace of mind. Daktari, what is the importance of Ruminal Bolus magnets?
Okay, in our dairy production industry, we have realized that the main cause of animal death is hardware disease. Hardware disease comes as a result of metallic objects which are in our feeds and end up in the rumen of the cows. So to prevent this, we insert a bolus. The bolus assists in lodging the metal particles which are in the feeds so that they cannot affect the animal.
Thank you.